Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So today is 12/12/21, which is Sunday. So I hope you all are having an amazing day. I am. The sun is out and it's a good day today. I can never not be grateful for another day, to see another day, to be living another day. So hope you all feel the same. And I have something warm to put down my throat because it's like chilly here. Y'all, yesterday was 60 miles per hour wind and we didn't have no power for 2 hours, okay? And a lot of y'all might follow Helen H. I do follow her. She's an influencer on YouTube. And she just happened to throw up a video about, are you ready? And I thank God that for the most part, I was ready. But I need to get some more things. But guys, we are in for a rude awakening, and y'all better get ready. We all better get ready. But anyway, today is a beautiful day, to say the least. Today is a beautiful day. It's like I said, the sun is out. It seems like a whole different day because yesterday was like something I've never seen before in my life, you know. So it gives you a lot to be grateful for the next day when it's better weather. But anyway, you take the good with the bad, right? So today's video, guys, let me get up. Y'all, I'm really enjoying my space here. I'm really enjoying my office. Y'all look at her. She's just standing so pretty and alone. She's standing there all by her lonesome, but she looks good. But anyway, guys, outfit of the day. I got on my sweater, my cashmere scarf, my Tom wedges, and some blue jeans. That's OOTD. But anyway, guys, let me show you something. Iris, you mentioned something in an old video of my fiddly fig, and I think I said the next time I came on camera that I was going to show you my fiddly fig now and how she's doing, y'all. She going crazy. She love where she is. So I'm about to show y'all. And I think I see something else on her too. Golly, y'all. Oh my God. Yeah, she's doing good. Y'all, look at this. Do y'all see her in all her glory? Look at that. All of these are new. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All of those from the last time I showed y'all. And then for all that you don't know, I do have more here. I end up putting, remember they were separated, I end up putting them together. And honey, it seemed like she has taken off. She's just outdoing herself. But she is absolutely beautiful right here in this window. And she loves it. So that is the update on that. But anyway, I'm going in the closet today, guys, to show you some stuff. I'm going to start another box. I'm going to start another box from my closet and then I'll work my way down. But stay tuned for the next part of this video and I'm going to go ahead and get started and show you what I'm going to be gifting another family, okay? All right, guys, here we are. We are in my closet and I'm just going to go ahead and get started. Like I said, yesterday's, not a tragedy or anything happened, but just yesterday experience of the things that we might have in our possession, in our spaces, and just yesterday just took me down kind of like memory lane, why it's so important that for me now, I don't know about nobody else, but I do know I have people on my channel that do live a minimalist lifestyle because of these situations. But yesterday, it just made me be more aware of, I still have and own too many things. So whenever I can lessen something to bless somebody else, that is what I'm going to do. I don't care what it looks like to people. I don't care if a person says, oh, she keeps doing this or blah, 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 blah. What are you doing? What are you doing to make this world a better place? What are you passing on that you're not wearing, or things that you like that you still will give it to somebody else? See, some people can't even do that. Some people cannot do that. And why is that? Because people are greedy and people are selfish. I don't want to be neither one of them. So I don't have a problem with letting go. So like I said, the experience yesterday, how cold it was, how that wind started blowing like that. People don't have certain things like sweaters, blankets. It's just certain things they don't have. So I'm just going to make it my initiative whenever I can to let go. So that's why we're in my closet today, because I just happened to be in here and I think I was getting me some shoes and I just was looking like, got too many shoes. And then I started thinking, why did you grab them shoes? And to be honest, y'all, I grabbed some of them shoes because I was at like the Crazy Ben's place where stuff was $3, $5 and stuff. And you just get it because you feel like, okay, it's cheap. But at the same time, I'm not wearing it on a regular. So long story short, it has to go right now. So we're going to do that. Let me take this off right quick until I get ready to leave back out. But I'm going to show you guys during the week, through the week, of certain things that I will place into another box. I got to get another bigger box. But I'm going to let go of these. You guys remember? For the whole summer, I probably wore these 3 times. That doesn't make any sense. So this a pair of shoes that will be going into the box. My pink strap-ups. I only wear these when I wear pink, and I shouldn't do that. You should wear colors. That's why I like to buy colors that go with everything so you can constantly wear them. So I decided to let these go. These are a pair of my favorite sandals, but like I said, I wasn't wearing it on a regular, so they have to go. There was something else that I seen. Oh, I have on my Toms, y'all, that go in this space. So there was something else. Let me see. Okay, so I'm going to bring this down. I'm going to bring these down. And then I'm going to show y'all what I mean by wearing it on a regular. Then I'll bring these down. Okay, because I think I see something else I'm going to let go. And then I'll bring these down over here. I try to have colors, like I said, colors that can go with a lot of different things. So there you go. So like these here, y'all, I love these mustard shoes. And to be honest, I only wore them, I'm trying to think. Bought them in the summer or spring or something. I think spring. And I only wore these for the whole summer, probably the same time, 3 times or twice. Guys, why not give them to somebody else? Good shape, good quality. So do you see how I narrowed this down? So now I have these black everyday flats I can wear in the summer. I have a pair of dressy ones that I could dress up or down with a dress or jeans or, you know, whatever. Then I have these dress up or down, jeans or whatever. And then these here are a little bit more dressier. So these have straps. Eventually will like say like that, you can wear it with a dress or something. So I will put these here. So guys, so far, look at the closet, it looks better. So now I have these that I could actually put up here. I wear all of these on a regular, I do. I can actually add these to my flats, which are up here. So I'll do that. And now I'm going to move on to purses. Y'all, I wanted this purse so bad. So bad. And it's ridiculous because there's even nothing in here. Tell me how many times I wore this bag. How many times? I don't even remember. Probably a few times. She's going to go. She's going to go. Hope you guys are just learning something from me doing this. Okay, this one still has the tag on it. Oh, I just got to have me a gray bag. How many times have I wore this? Not many at all. Probably not. I probably wore this bag one time and took my stuff out of it and just, or maybe I didn't wear it. I don't know. There's nothing in here either. So I'm going to let this bag go too. Still has tag on it. What else? Now my sister, I think these are all the bags that I have. This one here, this one here, this one here. Like, how many do you need, girl? How many do you need? And then this is what my sister gave me. I'm trying to hold on to this, even though I had to fix it or whatever. That's why I don't like people to give me stuff either, because if I really don't, I don't know what that is. If I really know I don't like the color or something like that, then I got this. And it's like, why are you saving this? And this is by Tahari. And I think I got this from Marshall's or somewhere. This is really nice. Somebody can use that. So guys, that is everything. So I'm going to keep this one. Keep this. I will keep this one. And this here I will keep because my sister gave it to me, but I shouldn't let that be the reason either. But then I'll keep this one because it has like this brassy gold little like chain thing on here. But so that's it. So I lessened, look at that. I lessened all of that stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys really quick what I have. And I have so much more space. Look at this. Do you guys see what I did to my closet? Look at that. I absolutely love this. Look, sandals. How many do you need? I got 4 pair. That is good enough. Okay. Sandals. These are like my dressy muse or whatever. Flip flops, 2 pair, and then I have these pointy patent leather. But guys, come on! Like I think this is so much better. Let's move this jump rope. We can put that over there in the corner. But look at that. Look how much space I have. So I hope I have helped someone to get rid of some stuff. Clean out your closets, guys. There's so many people who need things, and you can make somebody's life enjoyable. Somebody who doesn't have anything or does never receive anything. It's the littlest things that matter the most. Always remember to love yourself so that you'll be able to love others. So this world will be a much better place. And people will do this more if they love themselves, because they will give more. They will. So here is, look at this. Y'all think a mother or a child or girl or whoever won't be excited to have these bags? New bags. Basically brand new shoes. I do. So guys, I will see you in another video. I just wanted to share my day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye y'all.